Our resort is coffee, spices and plantation life because we are in the middle of 300 acres of coffee plantation and this resort is spread across 35 acres of land.
Okay.
So this was started in the year 1994 by current chairman Mr. Emmanuel Ramapuram's grandfather and that time we started the resort in a small way with 10 cottages but through our continuous hospitality and service we have reached to 63 cottages in total now.
Okay.
So 5 different categories we are having and 63 in total.
Okay.
To meet the culinary needs of our guests, we have 3 major food and beverage outlets. First one will be the Granary, which is the main restaurant. So that serves multi-cuisine and operational for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Also 24/7 room service is available from the same restaurant.
Okay.
So when you will walk down the Granary, there is a small activity center which is called the Pulper and there we have some indoor games like table tennis, carom, chess, etc. And inside the Granary will be the Hunter's Lodge bar.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we are having the second dining option which is called Plantain Leaf. So that is a pure vegetarian restaurant. Operational for breakfast, lunch and dinner again. There we serve North Indian, South Indian cuisine in the form of thali, sir. So lunch and dinner will be North Indian thali, South Indian thali with the option of chat counter.
Okay. What is the name of that?
Plantain Leaf.
Plantain leaf.
Okay.
And breakfast will be South Indian spread out.
Okay.
So with the buffet will be there and with the North Indian option is the South Indian spread out.
Okay.
The third dining
Do we
option,
have option of poolside breakfast?
poolside breakfast, ma'am? No, ma'am. Like the Granary, which is the main restaurant, it overlooks the common pool which we are having in the
Okay.
resort. 2 common pool we are having. One is Infinity, which overlooks the Granary,
Okay.
and one is adult pool that is on the other side of the resort.
Okay.
So there we are having a special dining for our guests.
Okay.
That is on the additional charges.
Okay.
So it's for couple, 1 couple at a time.
Okay.
So the third dining option which we are having is a specialty restaurant of the resort that is known as Peppercorn. So it showcases the journey of spices from India to Europe and using those we are making barbecue and kebab dishes over there. Operation only for lunch and dinner and we require mandatory a day prior reservation for that restaurant.
Okay.
But since you are here for a night, ma'am, so I'll try my best to give you a date.
Okay.
And allow me the time till evening. So by evening I'll be confirming with the slot because at Peppercorn we are having 2 slots for dinner.
Okay.
One is 7:30, the other is 9:30.
Okay.
So any of the slots I'll be confirming you by 7 o'clock in the evening
Okay.
if you want to dine there.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Now,
as
is
I
it
mentioned,
a veg restaurant or what?
that is veg, non-veg both, sir.
Okay.
So your Granary restaurant will be very near to your room, just the next left, and the front building will be Granary restaurant.
Okay.
Okay.
And when you will take the straight road from Granary, ma'am, you will find 3 huts. First is the souvenir shop of the resort, which is like coffee spices from our plantation and the handmade jewelries and clothes are sold over there.
Okay.
The second will be Robusta Fitness Center, that is a small gym. And third will be the Beehive Experience Center, which will be the gathering point of all the activities which we are having in the resort.
Okay.
So I'll be explaining about the activities as well.
Okay.
So we are having all the activities which is nature friendly, like dedicated to nature.
Okay.
So I'll be explaining one by one and also sharing you the list of activities. This will be the key card holder.
Okay.
Can I tell you about the room first?
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
So this is the pool and this is temperature controlled pool, ma'am. So the standard temperature which we maintain is 26 to 28 degrees Celsius of the
Okay.
pool. So it's throughout the day, by default we maintain it.
Okay.
That will be the gazebo and this plantation view is there, and since we are surrounded with very heavy plantation, we have already completed the pesticide and disinfectant in the room.
Okay.
But still in the evening and whenever you are leaving the room, ma'am, please keep the balcony door closed.
Sure.
Oh.
You can proceed. Box in which we are keeping the local delicacies of Sodapur.
Okay.
The sweet wheat throughout the here in the Kurk.
Okay.
So this is the sweet, and this will be the fresh fruit platters. And salted cashew nut is kept over there.
Okay.
We have pure RO drinking water because we are not placing plastic bottles for responsible tourism initiative. So you can drink water directly from here.
Okay.
The assorted teas and milk will be here. The local blend of setup for coffee, and this is the French press, ma'am. Instructions to use is written over this card. Inside we are having small fridge in which we have kept some soft drinks and water bottle.
Okay.
Okay.
These are all complimentary, nothing is chargeable. And inside the bedroom, so this is the bedroom, and to save water we are not exchanging linen without guest request. So that white color card over the side table will be linen exchange card, ma'am.
Okay.
If you will place that card on the bed, the housekeeping person while doing the evening service will be exchanging the bed sheets also.
Okay.
So here is a wardrobe, and inside we have place for safety locker. So all your valuables which you are carrying with you, please keep it inside.
Sure.
Hair dryer and slippers are inside the cupboard, ma'am.
Okay.
And since it can rain anytime in Coorg, we have placed one umbrella for you.
Okay.
Okay, and 9 will be the reception number. So for buggy, we are providing buggy assistance to moving in and around.
Okay.
Anyways, like guests prefer walking, so walking is the best because we are in the mid of nature. But in case you need buggy, ma'am, so you can dial the number 9.
Okay.
And also I'm sharing my number for any assistance. You can just let me know.
Sure.
Take my number, ma'am.
This is good.
89 517 880 71. Agya is my name. 88DYF.